Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, we're gonna go and check out a new listing of mine here in El Dorado. I'm in the gym at the moment having a little bit of a workout. So today we're gonna go and check out a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a den office. Lovely mirador, some great views. Stay tuned guys, the video is on its way. Welcome to Casa Alegre here in El Dorado. This exclusive gated community is only a stone's throw away from Acaquique here on Lake Chapala in Mexico. This 1-level, 2-bedroom with a den and a mirador, as you can see the mirador here to your right hand side, parking for 2 vehicles under the car, ample carport. Casa Alegre is listed for $333,000 US. The lot size is 342 square meters, which comes out at 3,680 square feet. The construction is 246 square meters, which comes out at 2,647 square feet. So let me walk you through Casa Alegre, built in 2007. Really nice entrance here, guys. You have a nice little water feature there. It's not on at the moment, but really mature, well looked after gardens. I have to say it's a corner lot, so you only have neighbours to one side and the back. Coming into a nice entrance, you have a laundry area just to your right hand side here. The house is unfurnished, but it does come with appliances like your washing machine, your dryer, and your oven, fridge, that kind of thing. So a nice entrance coming into the open plan living room and dining room. This room is facing west, so in the afternoon you get plenty of light. So here to my left hand side facing east is the open plan kitchen. It's a good sized kitchen. It's got everything you need. You've got a little pantry area off to your left hand side, should I say, just in front of the fridge there. First of all, I want to show you the master bedroom, which I have to say has a really nice sized closet for this size of a property. The ensuite bathroom is here to your right hand side. And that actually just backs on nicely to the closet. Let's take you into the master bedroom. And this is actually facing west. It's topped off with these really nice traditional boiler ceilings. You find it in this part of Mexico. So yeah, from the master bedroom, you can come straight out into this beautiful west facing terrace. All right, let's take you back out into the main living area. Coming into the second bathroom. So coming into the second bedroom, it's where the front entrance is of the house and the carport, just to give you a bit of an idea of exactly the orientation of the house. We'll walk you into the den or office. They're using this as an office. take you up to the mirador so you can really get an appreciation of the views from this property. I really like this cute garden. It feels quite private. For a condominium, it's actually really nice and private. You have a big tree to your left-hand side that gives a nice amount of shade. So coming up to the mirador, really good sized mirador. But just check out that view from the mirador of the mountains. As you can see, it's raining. This time of year we do get quite a lot of rain, being the monsoon season here in Mexico. Months anywhere from July to September. The rains are coming in. But just check out the view of the mountain, absolutely stunning. You can hear the thunder in the background. One thing that's really worth mentioning here is that El Dorado, and I've done a few videos about El Dorado already, but El Dorado has a fabulous clubhouse. We'll finish off the video up there in the clubhouse. Come with me, guys. So this has to be, guys, one of the best clubhouses here on Lake Chapala. I mean, a heated pool, infinity heated pool here on Lake Chapala. You've got tennis courts, you've got a fully equipped gym. As per usual, guys, all the information of this property will be down below in the description. If you need any help seeing any property here on Lake Chapala, feel free to give me an email. Please consider subscribing, hit that notification button and give it a thumbs up, guys. Upload videos every single week here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching this one, and I will see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.